Hi, I'm Krista with WTI. These HOHY plant caddies have helped me simplify my process of keeping a tidy garden so much. I want to tell you about why they are a must-have if you have large plants in your garden. The caddies are so easy to move around. When I'm cleaning and reorganizing my garden space, I can give personalized plant care to very large plants without straining my back. For example, we have a fig tree that's bearing fruit, and there are times when it's not getting enough sun or maybe getting too much sun. So now I can easily roll it exactly where it needs to be in order to thrive. These caddies are also a very manageable size. The tops are 12 inches in diameter and they came pre-assembled. They have a reinforced wood bottom. They can hold up to 170 pounds of plant weight each. They feature sturdy locking wheels with a 360-degree swivel that gives them both strength and agility. Aside from all the function, they are beautiful. I've seen plastic caddies, and in my opinion, they take away from the natural beauty of a garden. But this finished pine wood is the perfect element that coordinates seamlessly into my outdoor space. I have absolutely loved the freedom that these plant caddies have given back to me so that I can organize and tidy up my garden without my husband's brute strength. So if you're looking for something that helps you to move plants around with ease, that's beautiful, and that is extremely strong, you're going to love these HOHY plant caddies as much as I do, and that's my point of view.